person found a kitten, a blind kitten at that, trapped in a whole bundle of wires. And this kitten was not in a great condition at all. This person knew how they had to step in. And thank goodness they did, because they just changed the life of this kitten. More than changed this kitten's life, made this kitten's life. Who knows what would have happened had this person not come along. But they did, and this kitten is free from an awful tangled mess. It is now getting some pretty fantastic treatment. Is there some sort of humanitarian award we can give out for this effort?